Hello friends, my name is Ines. I am involved in product development at the Mihi, and I am constantly looking for effective components to create products that provide pleasant experiences from the very first application. Today, I will talk about the principle of a new level of daily comfort for your skin. Remember that feeling? You've just washed your face, but instead of the long-awaited freshness, your skin instantly starts to feel unpleasantly tight. Dryness and roughness appear, and your skin looks dull and less elastic. Sound familiar? But the reason may not only be the water. Daily urban stress and excessively intense cleansing can disrupt the balance of the skin microbiome, an invisible protective environment with beneficial microorganisms. When this balance is disturbed, the epidermis becomes less protected from external factors, and the skin loses moisture and nutrients more quickly. To address this issue, we have created a soothing three-step system, CicaBiome. It works in harmony with the skin's natural functions, helping to restore its softness, balance, and long-lasting feeling of comfort. The formula of the product is built on a unique combination of components that promote deep hydration and maintain a lasting feeling of comfort throughout the day and night. They work in synergy to restore the epidermis's smoothness, softness, and fresh, well-groomed appearance. Let's take a look at the main assets of the line. Centella asiatica extract gently soothes the skin, helping to reduce visible signs of irritation and discomfort. The prebiotic complex supports the balance of the skin's surface microflora, contributing to the maintenance of its healthy appearance and protective functions. Yuzu extract is a natural antioxidant that gives the skin a natural glow, fresh and well-groomed look. Additionally, we have enhanced the system with niacinamide, vitamin B3, to even out skin tone and reduce signs of dullness. Babassu oil, plant squalane, and shea oil provide deep moisturization and a velvety texture to the skin without any unpleasant stickiness. The CicaBiome series is suitable for skincare at various ages, particularly for very sensitive skin, and can also be used during pregnancy and breastfeeding. The toner helps prepare the skin for the following stages of care. The day cream creates a silky base for makeup, and the night cream supports restorative care during sleep. Give your skin premium care and protection with Mihi.